right, good afternoon, guys. It is Wednesday, the 25th. I'm actually recording for Thursday's assignment. I'm going to go ahead and click sharing. Give me just a minute here. Get that right. Okay. All right, so I am going to go ahead and pick Black 1. Some of you did not do the assignment yesterday completely. You were supposed to check into the video. So if you look over here, I have taken everything out of the stream for the most part, unless it's just notes. You still need to look at it. But over here on the left, you're going to see where your upcoming assignments are at. This I'm going to be doing in, 1 day in advance. So if you want to work 1 day ahead, you can. But for today's assignment, you had multiple things to do. You had a class video meeting, and you had the assignment for today. Now, after today, hopefully, you should be getting immediate feedback on your forms as you complete them with responses that tell you why you might have gotten an answer wrong. And then you can check with me if you're still confused on what to do. Those of you that did do the class video meeting today, boy, was it nice to see you. And also, you're now getting a little bit of experience with Google Meet, so you'll be able to use it to work with your other fellow students in the different blocks. All right, but let's move on to go ahead and go back to working on for tomorrow's assignment. You'll see the due dates over here. So tomorrow is Thursday. So I am going to bring up Thursday's assignment and go ahead and do the reading for it. This one is something that you're going to have to really think about in order to be answering these questions, because most of them are multi-step. And in a lot of them, we're solving for what is the factor, not just what is the product, which you've been doing mostly what is the product until today. All right, so this is coming from our Texas Go Math book. We're just doing 4 questions today. You need to write in your school email address. That is 27, last name, first name, middle initial, if you have one, at gettingsisd.net. Please do not use personal email addresses here. I need for that to be your school email address, because I can't identify who you are from other email addresses. All right, question number 12. When a number is multiplied by 1,000, the result is 320. When the number is multiplied by 100, the result is 32. What is the result when the number is multiplied by 10? Well, just like you did yesterday, where you took a number, you multiplied it by 1, you multiplied it by 10, you multiplied it by 100, and then you multiplied it by 1,000. That's really what you're doing here, only you're kind of working backwards. It's telling you what the product is, so your answer. Now it's asking you to figure out what is the factor that was used. So what is the n value, or the unknown of the equation? So I really highly recommend that you write this out. Notice that it is more than one step. So you need to solve for, first, what number times 1,000 would give you 320. And then it also then gives you another clue. When the number is multiplied by 100, the result is 32. So 100 times n equals 32. And then it's saying, what would that be then multiplied by 10? So that's how you need to solve number 12. Number 13, when a number is multiplied by 1,000, the result is 8,510. When the number is multiplied by 10, the result is 85 and 1/10. Which sentence follows the same pattern? Is it A, when multiplied by 100, the result is 8 and 51/100ths? B, when multiplied by 100, the result is 851? C, when multiplied by 1, the result is 85 and 1/10? Or D, when multiplied by 1, the result is 851. So you need to do the same thing. Again, you're working backwards. So you're doing the opposite of what you were doing when you're solving for the product. You're now solving for an unknown factor. Question 14. When a number is multiplied by 1,000 and then by 1/10, the result is 6,810. What is the original number? Again, another multi-step problem. 6,810. What number times 1/10 would give you 6,810? Then from that number, what is that number? What number do you multiply 1,000 by to get to that number? It is a multi-step problem. Again, we're solving for unknown factors, not for the product. Question 15. A box of crackers costs 26 cents per ounce. If the box contains 10 ounces, what is the cost of the box of crackers? Here you simply need to just multiply. Click your submit button and you should get a quick response as to what your answers were. Don't hesitate to let me know what the answers are. I will be contacting everyone today that I did not get to speak with today. I'll be calling you on Thursday. So please make sure that you answer calls from me. I'll be having to call parent phone numbers. All right, guys, I hope that you're doing all right. And we're really still working on the technology here. So just try to do the best that you can.